Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Once you've added the recommended detergent, loaded the washer, and added bleach and fabric softener if needed, you're ready to select and start your washer. First, select the water level. New water level selection feature. Deep water is recommended for extra large loads which will use maximum allowed water. Select cycle. Select temperature. Select options. Any of the selections mentioned will turn the power to the unit on and power signal will light up. Next, press and release the Power Start Pause button to start. This will begin the wash cycle. If you press Power Start Pause to pause the cycle, you must press Power Start Pause to resume cycle. If you hold Power Start Pause for more than 3 seconds, it will cancel your cycle and drain the water.